So students, so far we have completed the balancing of the chemical reactions and some of the chemical formulas that are very important to be understood. Now today we are going to start a new topic, and that is types of chemical reactions. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, केमिकल रिएक्शंस होते क्या है? केमिकल रिएक्शंस आर द इंटरैक्शन ऑफ द केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस to form a new substance, in which the new substance has a totally new properties than the older substance. So to the definition of the types of chemical reactions, let us write some of the points that are very important and that can be helpful to you for understanding the mechanism of the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction occurs as a result of breaking and making of bonds resulting in redistribution of atoms. Chemical reactions occurs as making and breaking of bonds resulting in the redistribution of atoms. केमिकल रिएक्शन के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स या तो कोई बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाता है या कोई बॉन्ड क्या कर जाता है, बन जाता है, कोई न्यू बॉन्ड बन जाता है, जिसकी वजह से जो हमारे एटम्स हैं वो क्या हो जाते हैं, रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाते हैं, रिएक्टिंग इन डिफरेंट वेज. इसीलिए अकॉर्डिंगली the chemical reactions can be of the following types. Following types. The first type is the combination reaction or synthesis reaction. First type is the combination reaction or the synthesis reaction. Next type of reaction is the displacement reaction. This kind of reaction is also known as the analysis reaction. Next is the decomposition reaction. This kind of reaction is known as the analysis reaction, not this type. Decomposition reaction, also known as the analysis reaction. Next type is the double displacement reaction or metathesis reaction. Double displacement reaction. Also known as the metathesis reaction. Next is the redox reactions. Redox reaction, students, are also known as the reduction and oxidation reactions. तो So students, in this thing you can see that there are 5 types of chemical reactions. क्योंकि हमें पता है कि chemical reactions के अंदर either bond break होते हैं या bond क्या करते हैं, form होते हैं. Either a bond is broken down or a new bond is formed, resulting into the synthesis of a new substance, and that new substance is having totally different properties in comparison to the other one. Okay, so now we can talk about one thing, that combination reaction. Combination का मतलब क्या होता है? Combination का मतलब है to combine. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे एक bond क्या हो रहा है, form हो रहा है, bond is being made, making of bond is taking place, bond is being made and a new bond formation takes place. This is the combination reaction. Combination का मतलब जो भी है ये लिया गया है to combine से. So new substance is formed by the combination of the two different substances that are placed in here. Then is the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction means to displace. To displace को अगर मैं बोलूं, देखो combination reaction को synthesis reaction क्यों बोला जाता है? Because it is a kind of addition reaction. ठीक है, we can also say that this is a kind of addition reaction in which the two substances add up to form a new single substance. This kind of reaction is known as the addition reaction. And displacement reaction means to displace. To displace means to change place. Suppose I have one student A and B in my class. A is sitting over here and B is sitting over here. I ask A to displace the position of B. तो A क्या करेगा, B की सीट ले लेगा and B को क्या हो जाएगा, पीछे जाना पड़ जाएगा या A की सीट पे जाना पड़ जाएगा. ठीक है, मतलब सपोज करो that I am having 2 seats for the intelligent students front of my class. In front of my class I am having only 2 seats जिस पे first and second position वाला student ही बैठ सकता है. Let's say fourth position guy takes place, displaces the first position guy. First position वाला लड़का पीछे चला गया, पढ़ाई में पीछे हो गया. Fourth position वाला क्या हो गया, first आ गया. तो we can say that fourth position guy had replaced the first position guy. So in this place, displace का मतलब so in this way, displace का मतलब है to change place. So this is a kind of reaction in which one substance take up the place of the other substance. This is a displacement reaction. Then is the decomposition reaction. Decompose का मतलब क्या होता है, to decompose या we can say to break. ये word लिया गया है to break. ठीक है, ब्रेक का मतलब होना टूट जाना. एक सब्सटेंस है कोई बहुत बड़ा, वो टूट के क्या कर रहा है, 2 डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस को फॉर्म कर रहा है. दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट के अंदर वी कैन टॉक अबाउट okay, so double displacement reaction. In this reaction we can talk about that the displacement takes place to the displacement takes place 2 times, and this kind of reaction is known as a double displacement reaction, and we can also say it as metathesis reaction because it shows the metathesis. So इसका बेसिक मतलब क्या हो गया, to exchange positions, to exchange the पोजीशंस। उसके बाद हमारे पास है redox reaction, reduction and oxidation reaction. Reduction and oxidation reaction always takes place simultaneously. अपने सिर्फ एक ये चीज याद रखनी है that to reduce means hydrogen. Reduction is the reaction that is related to hydrogen and oxidation is the reaction related to the oxygen. We can talk about the redox reaction in detail. इन थोड़ी सी डिटेल में हम बात कर लेते हैं, बाकी फुल डिटेल में तो हम जब सीक्वेंसली चलेंगे तो हमें पता चल ही जाएगा कि what are the redox reaction. But let us talk somewhat in detail about the redox reactions. In the word redox, we are having two words. The word re stands for reduction. The word red stands for reduction and word OX stands for oxidation. The meaning of this is reduction. The meaning of this is oxidation. We can write one thing. Meaning of redox reaction is the reductions and the reduction and oxidation are taking place simultaneously. हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स क्या होता है, वी आर हैविंग टू रिएक्टेंट्स और टू प्रोडक्ट्स. इन द redox reaction we are having two reactants and two products. One reactant reduces and other one oxidizes. This is the formula for oxidation and reduction. इसमें क्या होता है basically, one reactant reduces, other oxidizes. That's why इस reduction and oxidation reaction को redox reaction भी नाम दिया जाता है, because ये reaction जब भी होता है एक साथ होता है, कभी भी differently टूट के नहीं होता है. अगर एक प्रोडक्ट reduce हो रहा है, दूसरा प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, ऑक्सीडाइज होगा. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी कैन टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट थिंग कि रिडक्शन का बेसिक मतलब क्या है एंड ऑक्सीडेशन का मतलब क्या है. रिडक्शन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन. Oxidation means addition of oxygen या elimination of hydrogen. ठीक है. And reduction means addition of hydrogen and elimination of oxygen, elimination of oxygen. So this was all about the redox reactions. Redox reaction के बारे में हम डिटेल में with the examples and with other things we are going to talk in detail when जब हम इस टॉपिक पे पहुंचेंगे, इस टॉपिक ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन. Now let us come to the first kind of reaction, that is the combination reaction or the synthesis reaction or the addition reaction. कॉम्बिनेशन का मतलब तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया था कि कॉम्बिनेशन का मतलब क्या होता है. टू कंबाइन. टू कंबाइन मीन्स टू ऐड ऑन. टू सब्सटेंसेस जो रिएक्टेंट्स के अंदर डिफरेंटली दो सब्सटेंसेस प्रेजेंट हैं और प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर वो क्या कर देते हैं, कंबाइन करने के बाद एक ही सब्सटेंस की फॉर्मेशन कर देते हैं. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन इज नोन एज द कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. This marker is working well. Let us write up the definition of combination reaction. The reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single new substance is called combination reaction. Combination reaction. The reaction in which two substances combine to form a single new substance is known as combination reaction. This kind of reaction is also known as addition and synthesis reaction. Students, why addition or synthesis reaction? Because the two substances are being added on to form one single substance, and synthesis means because a new substance is being synthesized. Two substances are adding up to form single substance and synthesis reaction because a new product is being synthesized. Synthesized. This is the definition, and this definition of combination reaction is very, very, very important for you all to understand. In this, you can give the example of, there are huge and lot of examples for combination reaction or the addition reaction or the synthesis reaction we can talk about. There are a lot of examples. First of all, the carbon dioxide and oxygen, the carbon and oxygen combine to form carbon dioxide. Then the hydrogen and chlorine to form hydrochloric acid, and hydrogen and oxygen to form water. In the first reaction, we can talk about carbon plus oxygen are combining to form carbon dioxide. Carbon is solid, oxygen is gas, carbon dioxide is also a gas. Next reaction we can talk about is hydrogen and chlorine are forming hydrochloric acid, aqueous, or we can talk about liquid. The third example is hydrogen plus oxygen combines up to form water. These are the examples of combination reaction. Again, we can talk about the sulfur gas. The sulfur oxide is combining with oxygen. Next thing we can talk about in the combination reaction is the last, that ammonia is reacting with to form ammonium chloride. In this reaction, the ammonia is gas, hydrogen chloride is also gas, and ammonium chloride is also gas. The ammonia is gas, hydrogen chloride is also gas, and ammonium chloride is also gas. Now let us define the products, that how are they being formed in a combination reaction. Basically कार्बन को हम बात कर सकते हैं अबाउट द कोल. ठीक है, कोल क्या होती है? कोल इज द फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन. कार्बन को हम जब ऑक्सीजन में बर्न करते हैं, व्हेन एवर वी कंबस्ट इट, तो वो क्या रिलीज करती है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कार्बन dioxide. Now you can see, is this equation balanced? Yes, this equation is balanced. You can check the elements present on the right hand side and the elements present on the left hand side, and then add on, and then you can calculate that is this equation balanced or not. Next thing is, hydrogen is gas and chloride is liquid. It is reacting to form hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen, chlorine, and we can balance it as like this: hydrogen chloride. Because Cl2 in the gaseous form, it is also present as the molecular form and not in nascent form. Elemental form में chlorine present नहीं होती. Elemental form मतलब Cl only. एलिमेंटल फॉर्म में नहीं होती, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्म में होती है, मतलब Cl2 फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होती है. हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज हाइड्रोजन प्लस ऑक्सीजन आर फॉर्मिंग वाटर. हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, यहाँ पे तो पूरा नाम ही चेंज हो गया. दिस इज वाटर. नाम भी चेंज हो गया, प्रॉपर्टीज भी चेंज हो गई, नीड्स भी चेंज हो गई, और इम्पोर्टेंस भी चेंज हो गई. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट. नाउ वी कैन टॉक अबाउट, दिस इज द सल्फर ऑक्साइड. sulfur, basically sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen and this is forming sulfur trioxide. This is the ammonia gas. This is reacting with hydrochloric acid and forming ammonium chloride. Students, please check on, is this equation balanced? We are having 1N. We are having 1N. We are having 4H. We are having 4H. We are having 1 Cl and we are having 1 Cl. Thus, this equation is balanced. Now, this was all about the combination reactions. As you can see that there are two substances which are combining up, and they are combining up to form a single substance, and in this way the combination reaction also is taking place. Now student, यहाँ पे हम last चीज़ जो है वो लिख देते हैं, that is magnesium ribbon is burning up in oxygen. Magnesium ribbon is burning up in oxygen to give out magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. This is also a kind of combination reaction. ये आप लोग एक्टिविटी में करोगे. जब हम एक्टिविटी कर रहे थे तो क्या हुआ था बेसिकली एक्टिविटी में, you was taking up the magnesium ribbon, and this magnesium ribbon was tied up, was held with the help of tongs. टोंग्स की हेल्प से हमने उनको क्या किया था, होल्ड किया था. उसके बाद उसको जब बर्नर के पास लेके गए तो इट रिलीज्ड अप अ dazzling white flame and a white powder was formed. That white powder was a magnesium oxide, because magnesium metal combines with oxygen during this combustion or the process of burning, and thus this kind of reaction, ये जो magnesium and oxygen वाला reaction है, this is also kind of combination reaction. Combination reactions are the types of reactions in which two substances combine up to form a single substance. Okay students, so that was all about today's topic. I hope you liked it, I hope you got it. Thanks for watching, and please visit in the description box for the link of the notes. Thank you and have a nice day.